What's up, guys? It's your man AA Fix here with another video, working on a Mazda CX-5. This is the MAF airflow sensor, location, and how to replace the MAF sensor. Make sure you guys are watching videos all the way through to support the channel and to get all the information. Getting started, the MAF sensor is located at the air box. Unit is right there, and there's these two Phillip head screws. Be careful sometimes with these screws because they can be kind of locked in tight. So what you want to do is, instead of trying to back them out, first you want to just slightly try to tighten them a little and then try to back them out, because what you want to do is, if there's condensation or if there's corrosion built up in these screws, sometimes they strip out. So to try to break free the corrosion, you want to try to go forward, which is easier than going backwards, going into resistance. You want to remove those screws first. Just going to remove those screws. Next, after the screws are removed, you want to push down on this tab and pull. Should have done this before. You're going to push down on the tab, pull it out, and it's easier to leave the screws in and then pull on the tab and pull this, because it tries to pull that out together. So then what you're going to do, you're going to just take that, wiggle it out, and there's your MAF sensor. You guys have a look at that. It's the Mazda CX-5 MAF sensor. Yeah, that's it, guys. This is a video on the Mazda CX-5 mass airflow sensor. Let you get a good look at the element, and this is the location and how to remove it and replace it. It's your man A Fix. See you guys on the next one. I'm out.